What's up everybody, Zach from Impreza Racing here, sporting the gear, fixing some cars. Anyways, this is how you change a brake lamp bulb on a Subaru Impreza. Alright guys, not many tools needed for this video. You will need a 10mm socket. I know, they're hard to find. They run away real quick and easy, so find your 10, get that out. Obviously you'll need a ratchet for that socket. I'm gonna use my gun because I have it and it's quicker, but you totally don't need this. You only need the socket and a way to use it, some sort of ratchet. If you want a plastic panel popper, that might help you pop the taillights out after you get the nuts off. You'll see in a minute. Not totally necessary. I've been able to pull mine out, but if they haven't been removed in a very long time, they might be stuck in there with dirt and stuff. You should be good with just this. If your bulb decides to fuck you over like mine did, you might need a tiny screwdriver. Only if your bulb decides to fuck you like mine did. You'll see. This is second to last generation Impreza, 2011 to 2016, or 2012 to 2016, whatever this generation is. That generation. Both of my running lights work on the brake lamps, but one of the brake lamps does not work, so I'll show you what I'm talking about right here, and then I'll show you why, and we'll fix it. Super easy, super cheap. I'm gonna show you what's going on here, and you'll see this bulb, that bulb, light up with the running lights, and when you hit the brakes, they light up brighter, and this third brake lamp lights up. That one and this one are running lights. When you hit the brakes, this goes brighter, that goes brighter, this turns on. Check it out. This is why your running light can work and your brake lamp won't, or vice versa, because this bulb has two filaments. So one filament can burn out and the other one can be okay, which is what happened to me. So one is running light, one's brake lamp. And an easy way to check this out, the diagnostic step I used is, obviously I was getting some sort of power to at least part of the bulb because the running lamp worked. So I swapped the bulbs from side to side and the issue followed the bulb. So that way I know wiring's intact, lamp is good, everything's good except for the bulb. So that's a quick way to figure it out. Swap both sides basically and see if your problem follows the bulb. Then you know it's the bulb. Alright, replace this bulb, super easy. First step, open the trunk. First step, unlock the car. Second step, open the trunk. Next step, take out that 10mm bolt and that 10mm bolt. After you get the two 10mm bolts off, all you need to do is pull on the tail lamp really hard, or you can assist yourself with a plastic wedge, which is what I'm going to do. I'll show you why there's some plastic rivet kind of deals on the back of the tail lamp. I just pulled it and it came out. If it's stuck in there with some dirt over time, plastic wedge under there, as you pull, it'll help. Alrighty, so this is why you have to pop it out. We got a broken plastic one right there, plastic one right there, and a little slidey guy. So that one slides over that on the corner, and those two pegs, which I broke one off, I'm going to those holes. And hopefully yours don't break. This is my second time taking this off, so maybe that's why they broke. The bulb we want right down there. So this is the back of the lamp. The brake lamp is that bottom one. We're gonna swap that out. So what I kind of do is carefully set that like that. Kind of let the wiring hold it with your leg. And then this bulb twists. So with the bulb coming out, it's gonna rotate counterclockwise. Lefty-loosey. And then pull straight out. And you may be wondering, I'm doing both tail lamps because, yes, only one is broken, but the Murphy's Law is if I replace the broken one, the other one's going to go out like tomorrow. So that's just how life works. The car is 2013, so both bulbs are 8 years old, 137,000 miles. The bulbs were only $6 a piece, not that bad. One's broken, the other one's probably just as old, so I'm replacing both because it's super easy and fairly cheap. Now you just gotta pull these straight out, kind of wiggle on them. I'm gonna use both hands, probably hold here and then pull in the bulb. Alright, there's only one connector that holds this to the car. Just a little push tab. Push down right there. And pull it out. I took it off. Sounds like it just broke. Always be careful pulling on a glass bulb. Sounds like it's kind of breaking, so I'm gonna put gloves on, safety glasses. At least if it breaks, it'll come out. I'm just breaking it at this point. And then I'll have to knock all this shit out. Totally breaking. It did not want to come out. The second brake lamp bulb just pulled out super easy in like 5 seconds, so really annoying. It should come out really easy, but apparently this one, probably one of these little prongs got bent, and then it went back in and just didn't want to come out, so. Oh well, shit happens. We're still replacing both of them. Good thing I got 2 bulbs. Alright, after much annoying struggle, I got it out. She's all empty. I'm gonna compare it to the other side to make sure the prongs look okay. See how far out they're supposed to stick. I don't think I damaged them. I tried not to. It'd be pretty annoying if I put in the new bulb and it didn't work because I fricked this up. But I think we're good. Alright, new bulb. Push it right in. It's easier with 2 hands. Back in here. There's tabs on the side here. Stick out. Those have to line up. As you can see, there's big tabs and small tabs. Big holes, small holes. Line those up. I mean, it should line up in a way that the wiring is, you know, chilling. Righty tighty. That's all she takes. Just a little bit of a turn, barely anything. And then I'm just gonna set it here. Don't push it in, we need to make sure it works. My second one, put this back on. Don't you fall off, tail lamp. I hear that. Same thing. Set it on there. Most of the way in. And now we're going to check on, make sure they work. Now let's hope it's better. We're going to check these two. I'm going to leave the trunk open because I know the one up on top works. And to be honest, we'll still probably be able to see the reflection of it up here in the window against the wing. So, it's all good. Helps if you have the key. Alright, so brake light, running light are both good in both bulbs. Which is good, because I needed this car to pass a brake and lamp inspection tomorrow. So I gotta put the taillights all the way back on, then we'll be done. All you need to do is slide them in, try and push it up against the body when you're sliding it in, because you need to make sure this outside clip catches, and then once you feel it hit those 2 pins, clip it in, tighten your 10 millimeters down, and you're good to go. Check it out. And that's how you replace the brake lamp / running lamp bulb on a Subaru Impreza. What's funny is one of my brake lamps did not work. Both running lights worked, but one of the brake lamp filaments did not work. Dual filament bulb, like I was saying. So one bulb, 2 filaments working, the other bulb, only one was working. And I knew both bulbs were probably original, which means they're 8 years old, 137,000 miles, and they're only $6 a piece. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get 2. The other one's probably gonna go out, fairly soon, and I don't wanna fix one, go get my lights inspected, and on the way there, the other one goes out, right? So I got 2, and I just reviewed my footage from the beginning of this video, and both of them don't work. So it's a good thing I replaced both of them. Now they both work. So I was like, the other one's probably gonna break soon, so I'll just get 2. And it did. It broke right before I started filming this video. That's why, if it's something cheap like that, just do both sides. You're already in there, you're already doing one, you have the tools out. You can knock out the other side pretty quick once you get one figured out. So, and it's fresh in your memory, just do them both at the same time. It's a good rule of thumb for anything cheap like that, bulb stuff. Just do them both, do both sides. Anyways, I'm done rambling, so thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, comment below, let us know if you got any questions, anything I forgot to cover, any questions about anything else on any car. Ask us, maybe we have an answer. We'll see. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.
Peace.